Hey you guys! So as you know, October is Pumpkin Fest Central. You could look on Instagram, scroll through. It's all pumpkins, right? Pumpkin bread, pumpkin soup, pumpkin muffins, pumpkin this, pumpkin that.
And we are going to make pumpkins out of cinnamon buns.
Yes! Okay, so I just made a batch of cinnamon rolls. I bought these at Whole Foods. So simple to kind of you pop out of that little cylinder and it like really scares you when it pops. It always freaks me out. Bake them for like 20 minutes. This house smells so good. Oh my God, it smells like cinnamon heaven. And we're gonna make the easiest little pumpkin cheat topping to go over. And you guys are gonna help me. Do you know how to help?
Yeah.
You're gonna be the best helpers, right?
Mommy, we're gonna make like a pumpkin color. Like we're gonna put the white in and we're gonna put like these two colors.
Yes, to make it what color for like Halloween pumpkin time?
Like orange.
Like orange, okay. So usually these cinnamon rolls will come with a little bag of icing. All you're gonna do
is put some in a bowl.
I only had a sharp knife, right?
Can you put some in my bowl?
Yes, so we're gonna split up. Each girl's gonna get some for you and some for
Mommy.
you. So I have pure pumpkin puree here, okay? Because it's already sweet enough with the icing. You don't need any more.
Mix.
Hold on. Put a little bit of pumpkin in each one.
Could we mix?
Mix away. And we're basically just making like a little pumpkin drizzle to go over the top. You don't need extra cinnamon or spices or anything because there's so much in there already. You guys are doing a fantastic job. If you wanted to make it more pumpkin, I don't even think we need this. You know that?
I like it.
Okay. Okay, one drop just for funsies, okay?
Here's
One.
me.
To make it even extra pumpkin-y. You really don't even need that. Okay. Ah! That's it. No more. Good Lord. Okay, one for you. That's it. You don't even need the food coloring. We weren't sure how orange it was going to get, but this is... Oh, that's gorgeous. Show them your bowl. Oh my goodness. No more. Perfect. Mix it all up. Get all the sides. This is the best. We just put them to work. Work. Okay. Perfect. Can you taste it? Stick your finger in. Oh my God. Sweet, pumpkin-y, and it's gonna go over that hot cinnamony bun. Okay, you ready? So you ready to drizzle? Hold on, let's do half with Andy's. Woo! And it's just like the simplest way to get your pumpkin fix in like 5 seconds.
Can I spread?
Good, Joe. Wow, Joe's kind of looks like ketchup. Perfect, okay.
Mine's really like pumpkin.
Beautiful, look at that. And let it just go like in between all the little cracks and crevices.
It's yum, guys.
Yum! You guys want to try it?
Want to try it?
Let's do it. Hold on, this is so hot. Let's get a plate. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Okay, the best part about a cinnamon bun
is that it's so good.
Hey Joe, look.
It's
Is that it's so good? It's so
burger.
good. Ooh, messy burger. Go, Joe, pull it. Oh my God, it's still so hot. Hot, Joe, grab that, Joe.
Oh, it's still
Grab this one.
good.
You want that?
Whoa!
Whoa! How fun is this? Takes 5 seconds to make. I'm not a baker.
You're not a baker, you're a
Not
chef.
a baker. I'm a chef, right? I like to cook.
Mm.
Whoa, Andy. Here,
Well,
babe.
mine like a slinky.
Here, go for it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Mine's a slinky.
1, 2, 3, cheers. Everyone put your fingers in.
Ah.
Oh my goodness. You want this one? 1, 2, 3, cheers. Okay, cheers myself. Yum! That is so good. Okay. What do we give that recipe? What do we give it? Toes, thumbs up too? Toe? Don't fall. Alright, you guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, right? And make these. These are so simple and they're perfect for this time of year. Alright, you guys, see you next time.